definitely worth it. It's a lot smoother. It's like nothing. It's like inhaling nothing. It does not make me cough. I'm a puss. Cough very easily. So thumbs up. The reason I was looking at the Mighty or whatever, and then that black and orange one, they're both like around three in the threes to $400 range. Um, it's supposed to be better, but I don't think it's worth that much. I don't think it can possibly be that much better. Trust me. It don't have the glass piece, so that might be worth $100 sticking up. That might be worth $100 more to you. I don't know, but to me, $100 is $100, and I'm happy with the Arizer Solo 3 version 2.